in 2017, to kind of tie it in with what we do at WordPress, we were looking to take the website from, more of a blog style to a actual kind of enterprise website. And we ended up pricing it, and I was kind of like, holy crap, that's a lot of money. And then I ended up seeing a coding bootcamp that was a few $1,000s cheaper than the quote to make the website. So I said, hey, I'll just do the coding bootcamp and learn what to do. And then through the process of the coding bootcamp, I found WordPress and just kind of merged what WordPress offered, which was like, things are already in place. If something breaks, I don't have to worry about it. If I'm out at a game and something happens with the website, I know that WordPress kind of has our back. So it was kind of perfect with my new coding skills and WordPress kind of having the template already set. It worked out, and we've just grown from there.
We really hammered down on our SEO practices. I mean, I love the green light with the Yoast SEO. It's like, pretty elementary, like make it green. And so for me personally, I just tried to make it competitive with everybody and just challenge everybody to, make sure we have green on readability, green on SEO. And everybody kind of really took to it. And that made an immediate result. And we just started tracking things like, our results in Google News. And before that, we had made sure that we were connected in Google as a news site. So we took all the steps to make sure that our content would populate higher up on the search engines. But when we started populating with the WordPress Android app as a referral tool, like things really, really took off.
So that green light to me, I was kind of like, okay, it'd be great if I hit it. But if not, like this is the way that you write it, this is the way you do it. Once we started seeing the results, it was like, okay, I kind of started to tailor my writing to the SEO factor.
And SEO took us out of the social media scrum. There's this race to be first, between HBCU publications. And it's like whoever gets it on Facebook or Twitter first, they get the shares, they get the clicks. So there's this big push to like, oh, something happens, get it up, get it out. But what SEO did was it allowed us to not have to rely on being first on social. We could say, okay, yeah, being first is great. We want to get it out and up, but we're not relying on an unreliable traffic director that allowed us to like take a little more time, make our graphics nicer. We knew we'd have SEO in place, that we would get our interactions